Just one thing. It is said, if you get a feeling of pain in the region of the heart, there is pain. Eating this oral aspirin, chewing the oral aspirin tablet, does it help?
It is a myth.
So why it is spread?
Aspirin, okay, role of aspirin is to keep the blood thin. Okay, it is a blood thinner. But how does it thin the blood? There are some small corpuscles in our blood. Small, not exactly cells, but structures like cells in our blood. They start accumulating on this particular block and they form the clot. They trigger the clot. That is what in simple language you can say. So to prevent this, we give aspirin. And what does aspirin do is, at the time of formation of the platelets in the bone marrow, they make the platelet formation is defective. Because of that, platelets are not able to take part in the clotting function. That is how it acts. And how many days does it take? 5 to 7 days. Aspirin takes 5 to 7 days to act. So chewing the aspirin when you are getting chest pain is not going to solve the problem. That is a myth, because it is again, our doctors don't read after they pass out.
Now what is the impact of sorbitrate?
You should not put sorbitrate in your mouth, because heart has got a right side and a left side. If there is a right side infarction or right side artery is blocked, right side will not pump the blood. Okay, that part will be not functioning because it is not receiving blood. Then how does the blood, right side is impure blood. It comes from the body and then right side of the heart pumps it into the lungs, gets it purified and comes to the left side. Now resistance of lung blood vessels is very low, and even if right heart does not function, just because of the pressure of the blood, whatever blood column is there in the on the right side of the heart, it automatically flows through the lung circulation. But if you give sorbitrate, this pressure, internal pressure of the blood will go away. Which is, what you need is just 20-25 millimeters of mercury. That much intrinsic pressure you need, and that is created by the amount of blood in the circulation on the venous side. You give sorbitrate, this pressure goes away because veins are dilated, and there will not be any lung circulation. And because there is no lung circulation, blood is not purified. There is no purified blood coming to the left side. Left side of the heart will not be able to pump, and it will be disaster because brain will not get blood supply and man will die within 3 or 4 minutes. So don't take sorbitrate, don't take aspirin.
It is better to give injection then on the right side or left side?
No, left, not body. I am talking of heart. Left and right side of heart. No, aspirin, clopidogrel, they act on the platelets, so their action will take 5 days. So you don't have to chew them immediately.
As a preventive measure, normally we should take it.
No. If you have disease, that will be decided by a qualified person whether you should take the medicine or not. If you need it, then only it is to be taken. Every medicine is a poison. You should not take any medicine without any reason. Huh? Pardon?
Sorbitrate is a coronary vasodilator.
Yeah, it is vasodilator. Yes.
What supply will go to heart? What blood will go to heart?
It should, but this it is predominantly venous dilator. Venous, you understand? Veins are they bring the impure blood to the heart. They are dilated and the pressure drops. So even if the coronary arteries are dilated by sorbitrate, it is useless because there is no purified blood going on the left side to be pumped into the coronary arteries. So it is it is useless.
But then why is it given on a daily basis by some specialist, heart specialist?
What I am saying is you should not take it on your own.
No.
When you come to me, I examine you and I find that there is coronary artery disease not involving the right side, it is involving only the left side. I'll prescribe sorbitrate.
What she's saying that all the doctors, specialists, they prescribe. Anytime you get angina in the heart, then you take a sorbitrate.
That is wrong. That is wrong. Patient should not take any medicine on his own.
Doctor should not say, as you said.
Yeah.
He should not prescribe at the time of the angina.
Yeah.
What's the sorbitrate is for what? Then sorbitrate is given for what?
Inner.
If on the left side there is a sudden heart attack, we give sorbitrate to cause the dilatation of the left-sided arteries.
Suppose if you are on the left side, then it should be given.
The artery on the left side, if it is blocked,
Then give the left
yeah,
side, not on the right side.
not on the right side.
So suppose if you feel pain on the right side,
Any doubt? So you will not come to know that, doctor will come to know. That's why the doctor should prescribe, not you. No, that's why you should go immediately to the hospital.
that's why I usually people are ignorant. They are not even what is a heartache or something. They try to better themselves at that time only by taking the precaution like
But if you don't know it is heart attack or not, why should you take medicine?
So safe side. So suppose if are thinking, suppose if we heartache or thinking of kind of other things, of other illness, sometimes don't come to look whether it is a heart attack.
No, but then why don't you go to hospital and get examined by a qualified doctor?
They are commercial doctors, as you said, and they...
No, whatever it is, commercial or not, they are qualified. They will know it is right or left.
Due to gas also.
Pardon?
Due to gas also. Gastritis.
Yeah, but let it be decided by a qualified person. They are trained to diagnose it.
Does when you are having a disturbance discomfort in the chest, won't you plan does it help?
No, you should not take any medicine on your own. No medicine on your own. It is to be prescribed by a qualified person.
Sorry, as you said, we get a heartache, right? Usually, or within 6 hours, within 4 hours, or suppose if we reach the hospital, the night our muscles died, which can be saved.
If you are within 6 hours, there is a muscle can be saved within first 6 hours. Because we give, see, basically when a patient comes to me, I don't go for bypass surgery or angioplasty immediately. First thing I give a thrombolytic, that is thrombolytic agent which breaks the clot. Thrombus is clotting and thrombolytic is the agent that breaks the clot.
Before after reading that, how long will you wait for the result? Whether you should go for the bypass or not?
No, that will be decided on angiography and you have to wait for 6 weeks.
So doctor can do this angiography immediately after reading that?
If I am not suspecting left main disease, okay, I'll show you that. Okay. See, these are the arteries of the heart. This is what I am saying, arteries supplying on the right side of the heart. These are the arteries supply on the left side. There is only one exception where you have to do surgery in emergency, no angioplasty. Not angioplasty, surgery, bypass surgery. Angioplasty is out of question for whatever I am going to tell. This portion, left main. If there is a block in this portion, left main, this 1.5 centimeters long segment, if there is a disease in that particular segment, that is the only indication for emergency bypass surgery. Whether it is 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, you have to go ahead. But again, you just think over how much is the chance to get block in that particular area. It is very minimal. Of course, that will come to know on our investigations, ECG or whatever we do. And if I suspect, I go ahead with angiography immediately. And if it is left main, I advise the patient bypass surgery. But this is very rare. Most of the patients have got block in other sites. And to them, I advise to wait for 6 weeks. And after 6 weeks, we decide about the definitive procedure. Pardon? Pardon?
What does it stand for? Is there a full name to LM?
LM is left main. Left main.
Left main.
Yeah.
Sir, there is one application which goes backside also. Which one is that one? Out of three.
This one.
This is the back one.
Back one.
Which goes back.
Back side of the left side of the heart. Yeah.
So all the three arteries are important.